Are you ready to step into the world of real estate investing? Whether you're looking to build passive income, secure your financial future, or simply make smart investment choices, this video is your beginner's guide to getting started in 2025. Real estate has consistently been one of the most stable and profitable investments. Unlike stocks, it's a tangible asset that appreciates over time and provides rental income. Let's explore the key reasons why real estate is a smart move in 2025. Property value appreciation over time, rental income as passive revenue, tax advantages for property owners. There are multiple ways to invest in real estate. The key is choosing the right one for you. Here are the most popular strategies. Buy and rent out properties for monthly income. Purchase undervalued homes, renovate and sell for profit. Invest in real estate without owning property. Platforms like Airbnb make vacation rentals profitable. Now that you know the strategies, let's break down how you can start investing in real estate in 2025. Are you looking for passive income or long-term growth? Check your credit score, budget, and explore loan options. Look for growing cities, high rental demand, and emerging trends. Begin with an affordable property or REITs before expanding. Join real estate groups, attend seminars, and connect with experienced investors. Many beginners make mistakes that cost them thousands. Avoid these pitfalls. Always analyze property values and trends. Taking on too much debt can be risky. Maintenance, property taxes, and vacancies add up. Never buy a property without checking its condition. The real estate market is evolving. Here's what to watch for in 2025 and beyond. Rise of smart homes and green buildings. Co-living spaces and affordable housing innovations. Investing in virtual real estate, metaverse properties. Real estate investing is one of the best ways to build wealth, but it all starts with taking action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investing tips. Let's make 2025 the year you start your real estate journey.